Hi guys, in our last video we had seen a simple C programming and how to print hello world. Now in detail we'll be learning the structure of a C program. Here we go. First, steps to write C program and get the output. Last time we had seen what are the steps. First we had to create, and then we had to compile it or build it, and then we had to execute it and then get the output. So here below are the steps to be followed for any C program to create and get the output. So this is common to all the C program and there is no exception, whether it is small C program or very large C program. First you need to create the C program, then compile it, after that execute it or run it, and then get the output. So the basic structure of a C program. Structure of a C program is a set of rules. These rules are called as protocols, and these set of rules should be followed by all the C programmers while writing the C program. So in a C program we have sections or parts. These sections are given below. There are 7 sections, that is document section, link section, definition section, global declaration section, function prototype declaration section, main function, user defined function definition section. Now here's the example to compare all the sections. First, with the document section, you can see here in this program. This is program. It is a huge program, so it is taken into 2 pages. It starts from here, and the second page it ends. Here it ends. So I'll tell you this. This is a program. This is the documentation section. This is the link section. This is the definition section or the global declaration section. This is the function declaration section. This is the main function. This is the user defined function. This is the definition section. So now let's go and see in detail with explanation. So documentation section. The documentation section consists of a set of comment lines giving names of the program or the author and other details if the programmer would like to use it later. So you can see here in this, it is a documentation is comments. So as I told you before, comment starts with a backslash and a star followed by it and ends with a star followed by a backslash. So it has something related to the program, which the programmer will need it in future. So next is the link section. Link section here, it provides instruction to the compiler to link the functions from the system library, such as /include stdio.h. This printf, as I told you, it is a C library. When you use printf, it is a function which this function description is in the stdio.h. So next is the definition section. Here int total is equal to 0. It is a definition section. So why it is called a definition section? In this section what happens, variables are defined and values are set to these variables. So here what is a variable? Total is a variable and value is 0. So the variable is set to 0 value. Next comes the global declaration section. Here global declaration is also defined. It is defined in this section. Global declaration is global variables. Global variables are defined in this section. When a variable is used throughout the program, it is said to be global. Global, as the word says, when it is just throughout the program, it is told as global declaration. So next, function declaration section. So function declaration section is you're declaring a function. That means it gives many information about the function, like return type, parameter names used inside the function. Here the function name is sum, return type is integer, parameters are integers. So next we have main function. So everybody knows that every C program must have one main function section. So this main function section contains two parts. One is the declaration part, one is the executable part. So the declaration part here declares all the variables used in the executable part. So now that we've understood and executed the above program, I've made you a small small notes on the basic sections of a C programming. I hope you all take a look at it. It's easy and in brief. Here are some of the key points to remember in a C programming language. That is, C programming is case sensitive programming language. Case sensitive means small x and big letter X are two different things for C. Each C programming statement is ended with a semicolon, which is referred as statement terminator, means end of a C programming language. Printf is used to print the output on the output screen. C programs are compiled using C compilers and displays output whenever executed. Next, we're going to see about printf of SCANF. So before going in detail, so first of all, printf and SCANF functions are built-in library functions in C programming language, which are available in C library by default. So these functions are declared and related macros. What are macros? Macros are nothing but single instructions expands to a set of instructions to perform a particular task. So these printfs or scanners are declared and related macros are defined in the standard io.h header file in C language. So we have to include stdio.h file as shown in C program to make use of these printf as scanf library functions in C language. So now going to printf functions in C language. So what it says, in C programming language, printf functions is used to print the character. It is used to print character, string, float, integer, octal, hexadecimal values onto the output screen. So we use printf functions with mod d format specifier to display the value of an integer variable. When do we use mod d? Mod d we use for integer. Mod c we use for character, to display a character. Mod f we use to display a float variable. Mod s we use to display a string variable. Mod f is used for displaying is displayed for using double. Mod x is used for hexadecimal. So to generate a new line, we use \n. So one of the note is it is case sensitive. So printf, scanf are two different from big printf and big letter scanf. We need to use small printf and small scanf only. So next, example for C printf functions. So let us execute this in C. Go to your code blocks. So now let's run the program. Open your code blocks, type this program. Let's see how it is executed. First you have your header file, then your main function, then your opening, and then your character ch it has a then string has programming pro, and then float FLT has 10.234, int number is 150, double db1 is equal to 20.123456. so your printing character is mod C of ch, you're printing ch here. Then you're printing string of mod s as str, then you're printing float FLT. When you're printing integer, mod T, number. When you're printing double, IF, that is DBL1. When you're printing octal, mod O. When you're printing hexadecimal, mod X. So hexadecimal is to the base of 16 and octadecimal it is to the base of 6. So let's save this. Your program is saved, and then let's build it. So you can see there are no errors here. One second. You can see there is no errors. Now after building it, run it. You can see character is A, your first printf is printed, string is mod s /n, that is programming pro is printed. What is there in string? Programming pro, that is printed. Float value is what? FLT. What is the float value here? 10.234, that is printed here. Then again, what is the integer value here? 150. Double value of DLB1, that is this double value will be this. Same thing, 20.123456. Then the octal value of the number, octal value of 150, that is to the base of, octal value is to the base of 8, that is 150 to the base 8 is 226. Hexadecimal of 150, that is 96. Here another thing you can see that here in printf ch is replaced with mod of c, str is replaced with mod of s, float is replaced, FLT is replaced by mod of f, number is replaced by mod d, dlb1 is replaced by mod of lf, and then number is replaced by mod 0, and hexadecimal, this printf number is replaced by mod of x. Now let's go to scanf function in C language. In C programming language, scanf function is used to read a character, a string, number or data from the keyboard. Whatever you press on the keyboard, it is reading. That is the use of scanf. So now let's consider this below example. The user enters a character. So let's see the program. Open your code block, type this program. So this is how your program looks once you've typed. So this is your header file, this is your main, start of your program, character, ch, declaration, character string, size is 100, printf, enter any character, that is, and then whatever you are entering in your keyboard, it is getting saved, and then again entered character is, so here the printf will get displayed, enter whatever character you are pressing, that. Again printf, enter any string, so anything you can enter, hi, bye, anything your wish, your name, whatever you are entering, it is again read by the scanf. again in the printf, what it is done, entered string is whatever your. So once you've typed your program, just save it, build it, and then I'm having 0 errors and 0 errors and 0 warnings. Run it now. So I'm entering, it says enter any character, so I'm entering P. So after entering, it gives me my second printf, entered character is P. Now enter any string. So I'm programming pro. So once you've typed your string, enter it. So here enter string is programming pro. This is how your output should come. So format specifier mod D is used in SCANF because if it is an integer, and mod S is used for string. There are many format specifiers. I will show you later. So ampersand is used before the variable name, that is ch ampersand ch. Here we are using, see here, scanf mod c ampersand ch. Before the variable you need to use ampersand. Why do you use? It's just like a pointer which is used to point to the variable. So next, some of the format specifiers are: for mod D it is integer, mod F it is float, LF double, mod C single integer, mod S string, mod U is unsigned int, mod LD long int, mod LF is long double. So some key points to remember in printf and scanf is: printf is used to display the output and scanf is used to read the inputs from the keyboard. Printf and scanf functions are declared in stdio.h header file in the C library. All syntax in C language including printf scanfs are case sensitive. All the functions are case sensitive. So that's all guys. I hope you understood the program as well as my explanation. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Bye.